everybody, welcome to Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. I am here today. I don't know if you guys can hear me because guess what? I am on the side of a busy road and it's noisy. It's like 7 or 8 in the morning. Cars are passing by. I am here today to do a empty, I guess kind of sort of an empty van tour, you guys, a pre-life van tour. I have been sleeping in the van for 2 days, you guys. So I just want to let you guys see how the van looks before anything is done to it. I'm going to be doing several videos on what I'm learning about sleeping in the van before I do anything to it, and whether or not I think that's beneficial. So this is my van. I don't have a name for her, but I don't know why a name just came to me off the top of my head, but I'm not gonna tell you what it is. So this is my van, you guys. This is a 2001 Ford F350. Again, I don't know if you can hear me or not. So if you can't hear me, I might have to do a voiceover. So this is a F350 van. It had 200 and something thousand miles on it when I bought it a couple of months ago. I've been wanting to start getting ready for van life, but procrastination. I have a lot of junk that I need to get rid of in order to start van life. I do not have the money off the bat to do a build or whatever, so I am just going to use whatever I have, and I need to sell a lot of the junk that I have in order to start van life. So what I am doing, because I have been procrastinating, but you guys know, if you have not seen Janelle, the one who just started van life over a month ago, I have been procrastinating before she even started. Now this girl is almost up to 2 million subscribers. So she put a light up under my butt and was like, what are you waiting for? Come on, girl, get started. So Janelle, I just want to thank you for inspiring me to do what I already wanted to do, but I've just been procrastinating because I didn't necessarily have the means. But I'm going to show you guys behind you. I have been sitting out at this location having a garage sale for the last 2 days to try to get rid of some of the junk, and also a friend of mine gave me some of his junk so I could have a garage sale. So I'm going to turn you guys around and just show you. I'm going to show you some of the junk that I have. I'm actually sitting out, having a garage sale, and I'm going to be sitting out for maybe a week if it doesn't rain. Maybe a week. I don't know. So let's go inside of the van. But before we do that, I need to put on my glasses so I can see, and they need to be clean. So let's go inside of the van so you guys can see pretty much how I've been living for the last 2 days. I haven't cleaned up in the van. However, I did move some things around a little this morning, and I do need to clean up. So I'm going to be showing you guys, letting you know what I need to do. And I am going to be making a couple of videos back to back with the same outfit on. And just in case you didn't know, I do have a bald head. I shaved my head. So yeah, let's go. So, as you guys can see, nothing has been done to the van yet. Let's go in and take a closer look. Ooh, it's gonna get kind of scary. Let's go in. I haven't done anything to the van as of yet, but yesterday I had tint on my windows and it was awful, and they were on the front window as well, and I couldn't actually see anything. I couldn't see out of the windows or anything, and it was just horrible. So yesterday I did do a DIY project and remove the tint off of the window. So let's go in the inside, and this is the front entrance, and as you can see, my floors are not done, and this is the first thing that I want to do in the van. I want to put floors in, but I've been watching a lot of videos on how to do floors, and a lot of the videos are very helpful for people who have the 6 feet van, the taller vans. But for people like me, I haven't really seen that many videos that are showing me how I want to do it. So I'm just thinking and still debating. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do to the floor. So as you walk in, here is a cooler right here, and there's a little stool, and behind that little stool is a ice chest. Let me lower my legs to my tripod so I can actually bring you guys in the inside with me when I walk in. Hold your horses. I know you're nosy and you're trying to see all my business. You're trying to see all my business. Okay. So, as you can see, nothing has been done to the van, and I think this is very important to be able to sleep in the van before anything is done to it, so that way you could get a feel of your layout. Earlier today, hold on you guys, let me see if I can give you a better view. Okay you guys, so I'm back, and I think that's a little better. So as you can see, I haven't done anything to the van. I actually had the bed on this side for the last 2 days, but this morning I was like, let me try the bed on this side. I think I'm gonna like the bed on this side. However, for where I'm located, I would like to be able to look out the window when I'm sleeping. So I don't know how that's gonna work out, but at the same time, I think I'm gonna like the bed better on this side. So let me come in so I can show you guys what's going on. Oh, so I'm gonna sit down in my little trusty stool, and so over on this side I have it's kind of like a folding cot. It's one of those massage table beds. Now this is not going to be my permanent solution for the van, but right now that's what I'm using. So this is just a exercise, or actually a massage table. Let me show you guys that. That's one of those folding massage tables, and it's collapsible and it completely folds up. And so that's what I have, and I have like my day bags and stuff underneath the bed. If I wanted to use this as a permanent storage solution, if I wanted to use this as a permanent bed for myself, I would probably disassemble this whole thing and make it totally different for my uses, which that is an option, but I don't know if I want to destroy it like that. So that is what I'm actually sleeping on. It's not the most comfortablest thing in the world. However, I did get a little bit more used to it last night. So that's not the most comfortablest thing in the world. And as I stated, the most important thing, the first project that I want to work on as far as the van build is getting the floors done. Is the very first thing that I want to do. And as you can see, my back window, when I purchased this van, the person had some kind of metal covering the back window. Somebody must have broke the window. So I do want to take this off and replace it with another window. So I will be going to pick apart soon to get me a back window. I have been to pick apart since I've had the van for a couple of months, or several months, because it's been more than 2, like maybe 4 months or so. So I have been to pick apart a couple of times to get some things. And what I'm going to be doing while I'm here, sitting at this location, trying to have a garage sale, is I am going to be, can you guys see that? Can I, hold on, let me see if I can get you out a better view. Well, what I'm going to be doing while I'm sitting here is, like I said yesterday, I took the tent off of my windows. I'm going to be really cleaning the van, if you guys can see up at the top of the van. Anybody like that squeaking sound? The top of the van is really, really, really disgusting. It's really disgusting. The top is disgusting. So it looks like there's rust, there's condensation, there may be even a little mildew up there. So today, what I'm going to be doing, let me turn you guys back around to me. I don't know. Some of you might want to see me. Some of you might not want to see me. Let's see. So, you guys, what I'm going to be doing today is pulling everything out of the van. And I'm probably going to end up getting my pants messed up and Clorox stains on them and everything. But what I'm going to do today is pull everything out of the van. I'm going to clean the ceiling. I'm going to clean the floor again, even though I've cleaned the floor before. I'm going to clean the floor again because until you put your floor in and you're moving things in and out of the van and you're walking in and out of the van, until you do that, your floor is going to constantly continue to get dirty. So I'm going to do that today, and I'm going to make some videos of those processes that I'm going to do. I just want to make sure I clean the van out really, really good, even though I know that I'm probably going to have to clean the floor again before I get ready to put my floor in. For right now, I want to clean the floor. And and like I say, one thing that I'm learning from sitting here and doing van life, the location that I'm at, I don't have any lights, any water, any gas, or any plumbing, so I'm without the bare necessities at all, altogether. So that would pretty much be the way that it would be for me on the road until I get solar panels. So it's showing me to know or hone in on the things that I need. So, where I'm located, I have a few things. I already have my gas propane stove. I already have a water cooler. I think I have the shelving that I'm going to use for van life. I'm not sure yet. So it's showing me and teaching me the things that I have that I can utilize. And by sitting here, it's just showing me better how to be able to utilize those things to benefit me the most. So you guys, that's just what we're gonna do. And I just want to pretty much give you guys a tour of how I've been sleeping in my van for 2 days. This is how I've been sleeping in the van for 2 days. I am going to empty out the van and do a empty van tour video, and then it'll be an empty van tour and probably cleaning the van. So let me just turn you around once again and show you how everything looks from now. This is the bed area. That's the bed area. That's the back door. That's the back door area. And though that is a propane tank over there and some water jugs, and that is my temporary pee jug situation, my Bible and a book that I'm reading. And let me turn you around, and over in this corner is my water cooler, backpack, and a little stool that I was sitting on, and a cooler, and just I have a comforter thrown over the top of a rope or a cord to give me a privacy area from the front. I haven't figured out everything, you guys, about van life and how I want everything, whether or not I want entrance from the inside of the vehicle, which I think I do, but sometimes I don't. So we're figuring this all out as we go. Let me get back in front of the camera. So you guys, I just want to thank you so much, and welcome to Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. Make sure, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's so important, you guys. I'm on a journey. I'm trying to accomplish things. Van life is going to change my life because I've never been anywhere. By the way, I'm in the state of Texas. I've never been anywhere besides Texas and Louisiana. That's it. That's all. I haven't even seen different cities within Texas, so I will be exploring those soon. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and see this transition with me. I would appreciate it so much. I am very close to 1,000 subscribers, so I could start going live on this channel. So that would mean the world to me. If you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, hit that bell, turn on notification bell, and when you hit that bell, a little thing may pop up and ask you some questions. So make sure you hit always, so every time I upload a new video or go live, you will be notified by YouTube. If you don't do that, you're gonna be like, I didn't even know she posted a video. So you have to hit the notification bell and hit always in order to do that. So I will talk to you guys later. Okie dokie smoky. Bye now. Talk to you later.